Not so many rider today. Ito na yung Toronto skyline. Ayan, oh, ganda. There you go. Oh. There we go. It's coming, it's coming. Nagkakamot ng likod, Makati daw. Yeah. So yan, malapit na kami matapos. Ito yung mga water taxi dito. Beautiful, ang ganda ng panahon. To the island. This one going that side, Ward Island. To the Ward Island or the center? So, keep moving. Okay, sorry.
Keep moving that way.
Happy Saturday. Hi guys, panoorin nyo to. Napasyalan namin yung Toronto Island. Matagal na kami hindi nakakapunta doon. So, samahan nyo kami. Nandito kami ngayon sa, actually,
magpe-ferry kami.
Toronto. Ayan, yun ang Toronto CN Tower. So, let's go. Samahan nyo kami pasyalan itong Toronto Island.
Oh, this is a nice building.
Ngayon ay Sabado. Ayan. Wow.
Nice condo, eh?
Okay, this is the ferry station now.
We're going to the ferry station.
Ito na yung ferry station dito sa papuntang Toronto Center Island.
Yes, we have to buy ticket right there. Look, see? Oh, we could have bought online ticket.
Yeah.
See?
You don't know what's time. Okay. So this is the island. Ito yung island dito. Ayan.
See that type?
And that's
Adult,
the schedule.
9/11. Oh, 65 and over.
Oh, no lineup today. Maaga pa kasi kaya wala pang lineup. Konti pa lang yung tao. Parang mali yung aming napasukan.
No, it is right. The online should be on the other side. But it looks like...
No online.
Come here.
Okay. Ito na yung aming sasakyan. Yung ferry. Yan. So, paalis naman yung isa. One is leaving, one is coming. So, ang travel time namin 25 minutes going to the island. Yun. Okay. Pasok na kami. Ito, kasama ko yung aking maingay. Maingay.
Good morning, welcome aboard.
Good morning, Kesa he. Dito sa taas tayo para kitang-kita yung ano. Kitang-kita yung dito tayo sa banda rito. This will be the front. Ayan. Para kitang-kita natin yung island. Yun. Okay, so ayan, paalis na kami. Ayan, oh, kasi ang ganda. So, kitang-kita nyo yung Toronto City. Mamaya makikita na natin yung Toronto CN Tower. So ito na mga kabayan, oh, ang ganda ng Toronto City. Kitang-kita na. Ito na yung Toronto skyline. Ayan, oh, ganda. So kung gusto niyo pumasyal dito, ayan, oh, dito lang kayo, magpe-ferry kayo. Kitang-kita niyo lahat yung magagandang tanawin dito. So sumakay kami dito sa ferry. Ang presyo nito ay $9. Balikan na yon. Yun. Yung mga nakasakay dito. Okay, we're getting closer. Doon tayo sa...
Dala yung kwan. Oo nga.
Nakikita na namin yung Center Island. Ayun, may aso pa. So yun ang aming pupuntahan. Ang tawag dito ay Center Island. Oh, yun pala yung Sky Dome. Oh, sorry. That's the Sky Dome and CN Tower. Okay, we are here. Ito na kami. Dito na kami. Dadaong na kami sa Center Island. Beautiful day today. Ayan. Hindi masyadong mainit. May sikat nga lang ng araw. Ito yung mga worker dito. Ayan. Tingnan natin kung paano gagawin niya. Patigilin yung ferry natin. Okay, buddy, shoot it. There you go. Oh, you miss. And I capture you. You're on camera.
It's my first day.
Okay, it's gonna be viral. Okay, try again.
Maybe you're gonna miss again, eh? When it's closer, definitely miss.
Okay, let's see. There you go. Clap, 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 clap. Ayun, nabasa na.
Alam ko, pwede ka tumalong dito.
Pwede. Oh, yun. Alis na rin kami. Oh, biglang dumili.
I know, right?
Dumili mga paligid. I think the last time nagpunta kami dito sa island eh
Maybe
10 years ago.
13 years ago.
Napasyal uli kami. Kasi have a nice day. Long weekend today.
Thank you, Kuya.
Ito ang ating Canadian na
Kamsi-kamsa.
kamsi-kamsa.
Sorry guys, we are running a little late.
That's okay. I will send it to India.
I'm gonna go, yes.
Kamsi-kamsa. Ito ang ating mapa.
Oo nga, nakaano 18 minutes.
Yan ang Toronto Island. Centerville, dito lang. So yung aming pupuntahan. Ayun. Ito, maganda pa rin itong island na to. May park. Malinis. Wala pang tao dahil maaga pa. Hindi ko napansin, nandito na pala kami sa Centerville. Ito yung amusement area. So, hope. Tingnan muna natin yung mayroong papunta sa beach. Oh, ito, meron pang i-shoot dito. Sige, wala bang kiss dyan? Oh, very nice. Look. May fountain pala dito. Tingnan muna natin tong island dito. Row your boat. Check muna natin itong mapa. Ito yung papuntang Center Island Dock, Olympic Island. Ito yung papuntang Ward. Yun naman Highland. Ito. Maganda pala mag-photoshoot dito. Kasi ang cost dito ay $10 per person. Tapos $30 yung parking. So, wala naman bayad sa... Kasi pag mag-associate ka sa park, may bayad na $150. Ito, libre na. Kaya pala... Oh, ito mo, may rainbow. May rainbow. So, oh, ito, may garden dito. Maganda.
Magdukal kayo.
May paru-paro pa. Paru-paro key. Paru-paro key. Tingnan natin itong paru-parong bukid. Paru-parong bukid. Hello. Okay, magpo-photoshoot muna kami.
Welcome to Center Island na park.
Ito, photoshoot muna kami ng masaya lang na babae. Yun.
Napangit naman.
Kasi lang. Ito.
Akin naman ang pinagmamasalang ko, no?
Ayan. Yeah. Ito, maganda yung mga puno. Maganda mag-photoshoot. Atin mo nang guguluhin itong mga ibon dito. Tingnan natin kung lilipad dito mga ibon na to. Aba, ay wala. Ayaw yung lumipad. Ayaw ayaw. Talaga naman. Ayun, tanaw na tanaw dito yung CN Tower. Tapos ito naman ang beach. Ang ganda pala dito sa Center Island, oh.
Pwede ka kayo maglakad dito?
Ayun, oh. May nanguhuli kaya dito ng alimango. Alimango mahuli dito, eh.
Baka patay.
Baka pupunangin dyan. Eh! Mga
tourists.
Mga tourists. Mga tourists. Ano ba nakalista dyan? Toronto? Ayan, oh.
Center Island.
Toronto Center.
Oh, may Vancouver, oh. 3,371 kilometers. Oh, look, tingnan mo sila.
Yung pala, ang layo.
Oh, Niagara Falls is
Pwede.
going that way.
65 kilometers.
Hindi notification.
Ito yung puno ng cherry blossom. Oh. Ang ganda niyan pagka may bulaklak. Babalikan natin ito sa next year pag marami ng bulaklak. Pabalik na kami dito sa doon sa amusement park naman tayo. Nakita natin yung mga rides.
Hello, good morning.
Ito na. Andito na kami sa Centerville Island.
Where all kids enjoy during summertime.
Okay.
It opens from May to September 1st. It happens that Labor Day is on September 1st.
All weekend pala yan.
Weekend
Ayun.
only.
Umpisa na tayong mag tour dito. Ayun, oh, may nag-ride na. Tingnan yung mga parents, oh. Sayang-saya. Mga pambata pala dito. Ayan, oh. See, may bubuyog na lumilipad. Hello! Ayun. Tingnan natin mga nanay nila. Ayun, oh. Sayang-saya nila. Okay, so here's the price. Ayan. All-day family ride pass, $182. All-day ride pass over po, $54 per person. Individual ride ticket, $1.80. Wow. Season pass, $99. Yun. Ito na ang mga rides na walang naka-ride. Bilisan lang ang ang pagsakay. Kasi hindi ito humihinto. Biglang
Oh my gosh, how are you? I'm great.
oh, si Rona! Rona Perez!
Kasama nyo?
Kami lang dalawa.
Kayo lang po.
Wala na kasing anak. So habang bata pa,
Opo.
samahan mo yan.
This is the last, yeah. Where's like your dad? This is here. But okay.
Yun. Bababa na, bababa. Boo! Ganun pala yun, sabay-sabay lang. Oh wow, the Centerville Court. Yeah. So this is it. I'm gonna go find the washroom. Here we go. There. I'm looking for the washroom. Ihi muna tayo. Yay! Meron pa dun sa taas. Ito, kung gusto mo magpalamig, magpapalamig ka dito, yan. Center Island, and they call it Centerville, here in Toronto, Center Island. Yan.
Nobody. Yan, ginawa niyo yan yun eh.
May golf area pa rito.
Ayun na sila.
Magpo-photoshoot tayo dito sa may malaking bangko. Silya. Oh, pili ka na ng kulay mo. Which one? Oh, I want the yellow one. Naging photographer pa tong kasama ko. Not so many rider today. Welcome to Far Enough Farm. Dalawang kabayong maliit. Kumakain ng damo, wala naman damo. Ay, napagod na. Ayun. Sige, ayun. Ayun. Ayun, oh. Nagkakamot ng likod, Makati daw.
Hindi palang aso, ano?
Yeah. Oh, sabi ng anak ka. Nangyari sa iyo, nanay?
So mean.
Ayun.
Okay.
Look at Joey.
One more is coming.
Victoria.
Ayun, dalawa na kayo dyan.
Victoria, look at me.
Ayun.
Look,
Oh, yung isa pa. Oh.
Victoria.
Buraot pala yun. Ah! Nangyari doon? Naninigaw? Kayo naninigaw, ha?
What happened?
That scared me.
How are you? Ito pa yung isang lapitan to. Hello? Dito tayo. Hello? Yeah. Dadaan na yung train. Coming. Whoop, whoop.
And that's a
Ayun, may baka pa dito, maliit. Ano kayong tawag dun sa ano yun? Parang ano, may tawag dyan eh, alcopa. Anong tawag dyan sa hayop na yun?
Hindi ko alam.
Alcopra?
Oo, ako pang sinano mo, ako dungo sa mga bagay na yan.
Hello! Ayun, umakit pala yung papunta dun. Ayun! Oh, lakas ng alon. There we go. It's coming, it's coming. Yay!
That was fun, right?
Okay, we're going now to our trip.
We're going back.
We're going finish our gala sa Center Island. Oh.
알고 있었어. 착각 소리가 나는데 어떻게 몰라. 어. 오! Yan ba yung sinakay natin kanina?
Huh?
Yan ba yung sinakay natin kanina?
I don't know. Maybe the same. Oh no, it's different crew. This is white crew.
It's a different crew.
Other crew is
A different crew.
yan, daming taos. Okay, baka makita natin ng dito tayo. Dito. O yan, malapit na kami matapos. Ito yung mga water taxi dito. Nabalik na dun sa main island. Maybe we can spot yung mga aeroplano nag-air show. Baka ma-spatan natin dito. Okay, we'll see. Oops, sorry. We're moving now. Beautiful, ang ganda ng panahon. So, huwag niyong kalilimutan lang mag-share nitong ating video. Yun na. Ayan, oh, malapit na kami. Malamig yung simoy ng hangin. Hey, my friend, you have two camera there, eh?
I can make 4.
Oh, you make
Yeah, honestly.
Oh.
Look, up here. Put more. And then you clamp something here more. Make 5, 6.
Yeah, that's good.
Not joking.
Oh, look at these people coming to the airline, to the island.
This one going that side, Ward Island.
To the Ward Island or the hang?
Center. That's the next one.
Okay, good.
This is white.
Look, look. That's it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel with my friend. with my friend. What's your name, my friend? Roop. What's your channel?
Toronto Life as it is.
Yo, that's good. Okay, so don't forget to subscribe to my friend. Okay, we're good.
Facebook, my way. So,
Keep moving. Okay, sorry.
Keep moving that way.
We're done with this island.